In this part, we're going to discuss memory segments in assembly language X86 architecture. Previously, we have seen how to write a hello world program in assembly, and we have discussed several sections of an assembly program. But before we move on, what is assembly language? Assembly is a low-level programming language for a computer to a particular computer architecture. Like in our course, we're working with X86 architecture. So what exactly do I mean when I say low-level programming language? I mean that this is a language that has no abstraction when it comes to computer instructions. So it consists of direct instructions to the hardware, like commands, functions, store values, to print, to move things from one place to the other, and so on. So machine code is a low-level language which is only binary code, and assembly is the readable form of the machine code. So when you write a program in assembly, it gets assembled to machine code and executed very fast because there are no layers between them. In contrast to most high-level programming languages, which are generally cross-platform languages like PHP, Java, Python, and so on. Also, assembly language is converted into executable machine code by a utility program referred to as an assembler, like we have seen the last time NASM, and we also said that we have other assemblers like GAS, which is the GNU assembler, or MASM, which is the Microsoft assembler. And we have also seen previously how to convert an ASM file to an object file, then to link that object file to create an executable. So today's topic is memory segments. And if we'll take a look to the code that we have wrote for Hello World program last time, we can notice that we have the keyword sections. We set section for text, data, and BSS. But you can substitute the section keywords with segment keyword. The code will still compile and will get the same output. So what is memory segment? A segmented memory model divides the system memory into groups of independent segments referenced by pointers located in the segment registers. And we're going to explain registers in the next lecture. But for now, you need to know that the system memory is divided into three different groups of independent segments. One segment is used to store data, and this is represented by the .data section and the .bss section. Another segment is used to contain instruction codes, which is represented by the .text section, and this defines an area in memory that stores the instruction codes. This is also a fixed area, by the way. And the third and last segment keeps the program stack. That would be all for memory segments. In the next part, we're going to talk about registers.